Jananda Kakoti, the renowned Assamese film actress, passed away on January 8, 2025 at Bethany Hospital in Shillong at the age of 93. Kakoti, who began her career in 1949, was celebrated for her roles in numerous films, earning accolades such as the prestigious Bishnu Rabha Award. Her dedication to the arts and impact on Assamese cinema earned her respect across communities, with tributes pouring in from the Assam government and the public.
We have lost a noted figure of Assamese cinema, Mrs. Jananda Kakoti, who had a remarkable career in Assamese film. Born in 1932 in Shillong, she has acted in several Assamese films, not only Assamese, Bengali and other language also. And she was a singer. She was the singer of the first group of All India Radio Shillong.
And now for the weather report.